Good morning to one and all. Welcome back to our channel Newsfeed Career Plus. Let's start our current affairs with today's importance. So on this day we have two things to discuss about. The first one is Telangana Formation Day. It is observed annually on 2nd June in Telangana since 2014 and it's a state holiday in Telangana. And the second one is International Sex Workers Day. It is observed on 2nd June because approximately 100 sex workers occupied a church in France to express their anger about their conditions and the work culture. The church was brutally raided by police forces so that the action became national movement. That's why today is celebrated as International Sex Workers Day. The second part, current affairs. The first question is, who won the gold medal in the Asian Boxing Championship in 75 kilos women's middle category which held in Dubai? The options are A. Mary Kom, B. Nazim, C. Mauluda and D. Pooja Rani. And the correct answer is Pooja Rani, D. She won against Mauluda. This is 31st edition of Asian Boxing Championship held in Dubai. She has won her maiden medal in the year 2019 and Mary Kom won her silver medal. And the second question is, who among the following is the author of the book Stargazing, The Players in My Life? The options are A. Rahul Dravid, B. Ravi Shastri, C. Sachin Tendulkar and D. Irfan Pathan. And the answer is Ravi Shastri. It's his debut book published by HarperCollins India and co-authorized by Ayaz Meenan. And the third question is, who among the following becomes the fastest woman to scale Mount Everest? And the options are A. Zhang In-hung, B. Lakpa Gelu, C. Zhang Hong and D. Tashi Yongjom. And the answer is A. Zhang In. She climbed Mount Everest in just 25 hours and 50 minutes. The fastest male climber is Lakpa Gelu in 10 hours and 56 minutes. And the fourth question is, which of the following will launch Nano Urea in June 2021? And the options are A. National Fertilizers, B. IFFCO, C. NATCO and D. All the above. And the answer is B. IFFCO. A 500 ml nano urea is equivalent to 45 kilograms of normal urea. Commercial use of nano urea was allowed in India in November 2020. And the full form of IFFCO is Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative. And the fifth question is, former Prime Minister Paul Luther, who passed away recently, belongs to which country? And the options are A. Germany, B. Poland, C. Finland and D. Denmark. And the answer is D. Denmark. He served as a 22nd Prime Minister of Denmark in between 1982 to 1993. And the sixth question is, who authored the book titled Savarkar, A Contested Legacy? And the options are A. Indira Nooyi, B. Vikram Sampath, C. Neha Sinha and D. Rajiv Malhotra. And the answer is Vikram Sampath. The book is being published by Penguin Random House India. This will be launching in June 2021. And the 7th question, who has been appointed as nominee director for Bank of India? And the options are A. Vandita Kaul, B. Dinesh Kumar Kara, C. Shakti Kanta Das, and D. Swaminathan Janaki Raman. And the answer is Vandita Kaul. Bank of India has 8 directors and 1 nominee director now, and that is Vandita Kaul. And the 8th question is, who among the following officiate wrestling bouts in Tokyo Olympics 2021? And the options are A. Maha Singh, B. Ashok Kumar, C. Satpal Singh, and D. Uday Chand. And the answer is B. Ashok Kumar. He got his international referee license in 2005. He has officiated more than 100 international tournaments. He is also the coach of Indian Air Force wrestling team. So, Tokyo Olympics to be held between July 23 to August 5, 2021. And the 9th question, what is the name of other mentorship program launched by Ministry of Education, India? The options are A. Udyam Sarathi, B. Abhayam, C. Yuvape, and D. Yuva. And the answer is D. Yuva. Yuva stands for Young, Upcoming and Versatile Authors. This scheme will be implemented by National Book Trust of India for young authors aged below 30 years to promote reading, writing and book culture in India. And the 10th question is, which of the following was commissioned by 5th NSA of India? The options are ICG Sarat, B. ICG Surat, and C. ICG Swami, and D. ICG Sajag. And the answer is ICG Sajak. ICG Sajak is commissioned by DIG Ajit Doval. ICG Sajak is third in the series of 105 meters offshore patrol vessels. Ship has been designed and built by Goa Shipyard Limited. Presently, the Indian Coast Guard has a fleet of 157 ships and 62 aircrafts. And the 11th question is, who among the following takes additional charge of NIA? The options are Kuldeep Singh, Arvind Kumar, Sheikh Goyal, Sanjay Negi. The answer is Kuldeep Singh. He is presently working as Director General of CRPF and now he takes an additional of NIA. And the 12th question, who has been honored with International ENI Award 2020? And the options are A. Ashish Chauhan, B. Professor CNR Rao, C. Dr. D. Nageshwar Reddy, D. Anuj Sarangi, and the answer is Professor CNR Rao. For his research in renewable energy source and energy storage, he got his International ENI Award. He has been awarded Energy Frontiers Prize. This prize is considered as Nobel Prize in Energy Research. This prize is awarded by Italian Oil and Gas Company. And the 13th question, which institute is launching a tech magazine called Sastra? And the options are A. IIT Kanpur, B. IIT Kharagpur, C. IIT Delhi, and D. IIT Madras? And the answer is D, IIT Madras. The magazine print edition will come out for every 2 months for all tech aspirants from IIT Madras. So, current affairs is completed, one-liners today. Alapan Bandyopadhyay appointed as the chief advisor to CM Mamata Banerjee of West Bengal. And Amazon recently acquired Hollywood Studios MGM for $8.45 billion. Nick Hokley has been appointed as CEO of Cricket Australia. Switzerland's Moto3 rider Jason Dupescure passes away. And that's it for today. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel Newsfeed Career Place. Comment your doubts below about current affairs. Thank you.